Okay, nice clear skies, partly cloudy skies, and we're 45 miles away from a thunderstorm. East of us, which is too far for heat lighting. We can only see heat lighting up to 40 miles at this point. And this is a thunderstorm cell that I was talking about in the previous short. Turned out the thunderstorm had been weakened around 9:35 p.m. Well, the good news is they recorded a lightning strike within that storm. And it's now being uploaded on YouTube. So that means for the 5th consecutive month, I recorded at least a lightning strike. But still from 33 miles. But it's now a light rain cloud now. It might be weakened before we get hit. Other than that, I'll keep you updated at this time. We also have another thunderstorm 50 miles south of us. Too far for heat lighting as well. And then we have a developing one 50 miles north. Too far for heat lighting. But haven't produced lighting from that one yet. So any lighting reports under 40 miles will count. So that was 154. And the closest one for that one was like 43, 42. It's almost the heat lighting visibility. But at least the moon's out. I'll keep you updated at this time.